Polluted water bodies threaten food security and the environment.
Industrial waste, algae, sea foam, and plastic choke ecosystems, harming marine life and agriculture. We need a sustainable solution.
We need Zen, an innovative aquabot designed to restore water quality and drive sustainable food production.
Zenith collects seafoam, plastic waste, algae, and water ices from the surface of water bodies. It further sends them into Zenith collection centers where they are repurposed into valuable resources. The algae is converted into biofertilizers, thus providing sustainable and renewable energies to the farmers with which we will be collaborating. Collection of algae prevents hypoxia situation in the aquatic life, thus preventing fishes from suffocating and dying.
Water hyacinth, rich in protein, carbohydrates, and amino acids, are processed into nutrient-rich cattle and poultry feed, which will in turn reduce the dependency of farmers on expensive and chemically treated feed, thereby also reducing their dependency on antibiotics and other chemicals. To treat the foam waste, we will be collaborating with industries that already do the work of treating foam and turning them into valuable resources. The plastic waste that kills millions of aquatic animals annually will be treated and turned into valuable articles of daily use such as bags, plastic, door mats, etc. Thus, reducing pollution and promoting sustainability of plastic. Moving forward, let's see the design of Zen. The Zenith power supply consists of solar panels and batteries. During hours of sunlight, the solar powers continuously keep charging the batteries along with reserving some energy source for times of floods, stormy weather, or during night, so that the running of Zenith is continued without any interruption. Additionally, this is the mesh which will collect all the dust, dirt, and algae hyacinths along with sorting them simultaneously. Additionally, we also have employed a system of GPS NRF system network in Zenith, which will continuously send the location of Zenith to the control room so that the control team can continuously monitor the performance and movements of Zenith remotely.
Zenith creates a strong social and environmental impact. By helping farmers become stakeholders of the climate action change, it helps promote the SDG 30.
It strengthens the food water energy nexus, supporting clean water, renewable energy, and food security. By creating a circular economy, Zenith turns waste into biofuels, fertilizers, and tools, ensuring long term sustainability. It prevents microplastic contamination and transforms polluted water bodies into resource hubs.
Zenith, restoring balance, empowering farmers, and building a sustainable future, one water body at a time.